Staminino. I gotta take this homework. Factoring? What is factoring? No.
In the streets, I'm peeping gang. I can't trust you, no, no. All up in my business, man. I stay on the low, low. Say they really fake. Can't mess.
Do numbers confuse you? Do you have a problem counting, finding, and organizing things? Well, have we got a deal for you?
Hi, we are the CEOs and manufacturers, and we're here to sell you our product called Factoring. We guarantee you that once you buy this product or concept, we will be able to make you successful, or we'll give you your money back.
We often find people struggling to do math when as simple as 1, 2, 3. As you can see in this equation, x squared plus 4x plus 4, it can be broken down into two simple parts. X plus 2 times x plus 2. That essentially equals x plus 2 squared. Now that action is called factoring.
Factoring is simply breaking down objects, solving problems that can solve problems like buying groceries, to calculating the size of cloth. The main purpose of factoring is to find the basic building blocks of complicated problems in order for people to understand it easily.
Right, let's get basic.
Is that my cremated mother's base? After the recent news of the disappearance of CEO Drexler Dye, we will continue to tell you why you should buy this concept. Was there not a time when you were stuck in a classroom wanting to talk to your fellow classmates and peers, but you can't because the teacher will catch you?
Well, now you can with this concept. By buying this concept of factoring, you will inherit the ability to write and decode cryptography wherever you go. Simply write a code like 64 and 81, square root it, and give it to your classmates. And he or she will solve the cryptogram by finding the common factor, which is 8 and 9, meaning high. Not only will your teacher look puzzled when looking at this paper, but he or she will simply think you're just weird. Of course, you'll never need to make this cryptogram in your pre-calculus class, because it is always fun.
Another way you can apply this concept is by buying grocery. Buying grocery is a difficult task, especially for people who don't have baskets. As you can see here, there are 8 bananas. Now that's a big number. Now how can we make this simpler?
Easy! You just split these 8 bananas into 3 simple parts. Now that's going to be easy. All you have to do is take these 2 bananas and multiply these 2, and that'll give you a total of 4 bananas. So far you have 4. So now we have to get to 8. So then you just take 2 more bananas and you multiply 4 times 2, and that'll give you a total of 8 bananas. Now that makes it a whole lot simpler to buy bananas when you're going to the grocery store. Now Chow, is there any other way this concept can be useful to the public?
Well, there's hundreds of different ways that I can show you that this concept is useful to our daily lives, but we will only show you one more.
When you're taking the SATs, ACT, or any other big test, you're going to need to know factoring just to get by.
Duh. How else are you supposed to know how many pencils to bring to a test? What? Oh, come on. Jeez. Okay, well, anyways, you never know how many pencils to bring, whether it's to the SATs, the ACTs. I mean, for me, it's 27. Now, who does not bring 27 pencils to a test ever?
I don't.
Well, yeah, that's just you. So be quiet. So, if you want to get 27 pencils, you first start out with 3 pencils. Now you take those 3 pencils and you multiply them by another 3, which gives you 9 pencils in total. Now if you want to get a total of 27, all you have to do is take these 9 pencils, multiply them by 3 more, and that gives you a total of 27 pencils. Now that was fast.
That's great, Drexler. But now let's just pray that your math is just as great as your SAT scores.
Well, duh, I got a whopping 10 out of 10 points. Now that's good.
Don't you get 200 points for writing your name on the SAT?
Now that you know all the benefits of factoring, I encourage you to buy our concept for just one payment of $35.99. or a monthly payment of $2.99 for 1 whole year.
And if you buy now, we'll give you shipping and handling free.
And that's not all. If you call 1-800-FACTORER, we'll give you this free workbook that will come along with the concept.
So call now!